Hi everyone, today we will be painting this beautiful street lamp painting in simple 3 steps. Now let's get started. Now let's see the requirements we need for this painting. You can check the material link in the description. In step 1 we are going to paint the sky. So in this painting we are going to paint a beautiful blue sky. So here we have the color Gopal blue, deep cyan and cerulean. So first I just mix the color Gopal blue and deep cyan to have a dark blue, and we are applying this dark blue on the top and also the bottom of the canvas, and in the center we need this light shades of blue. That's why here we have the color cerulean blue. In the center of the canvas we are going to mix the color cerulean blue with this dark blue. So we will have a beautiful transition from dark to light from the top and in the center. Here I am using my flat brush to blend the colors, also cover the large surface. So now again we need to take the dark shades of blue as we are moving towards the bottom of the canvas. So here I have the color deep cyan mixed with Gopal blue, and I am applying the color here. In this painting we have a very beautiful, calm and cool sunset sky. So here we have the color blue and pink. Once we finish painting the sky, then we are going to paint the clouds. So here we have the color magenta and I'm going to take the color white. So now take a dry round brush and we are going to take the color magenta to paint the clouds in the sky. So here we are using our brush, especially our round brush, and I'm moving my round brush in a circular motion, and make sure to wipe off the excess paint, then smudge the paint into the background so you will have a beautiful clouds in your painting. So here I am using my brush especially in the circular motion to have the soft and fluffy cloud. Now you can see the magenta is not very bright as we have a dark background in this painting. So first we just put the color for the first layer, then once the layer is completely dry we are going to add some layers in this cloud painting. Then we will have the bright and visible clouds in this painting. Now let's mix the color magenta with white to have the beautiful pink shade. Now we are using this light pink for the light value in the clouds. So again we are using the same circular motion. So once we finish this, now let's add some clouds in this place so it will create the overlapping effect in the cloud painting. Now take the color cerulean blue and we are going to paint some reflected light. So here we are using the color cerulean blue and I am using my small round brush to add the details here. And again we are doing the same thing, we are just moving our brush in a circular motion. Once we finish painting the sky and the cloud, then we are going to paint the lamp in the second step. So in the second step we just need to trace the lamp first, and you can get the image link in the description. So just take the color black and we are going to do the outline first. So here I am using my liner brush. You can use your detailing brush or small round brush, but while doing this outline we need to be really careful. As I already traced the image, it is really easy for me to draw the outline, so I really enjoy painting this. And here we need to draw some curve lines and some beautiful patterns. I really enjoyed making these patterns in my painting. I really enjoy painting lamp, fire and candles, and if you are someone who likes to paint candle and light, then you will definitely like this painting. In this candle painting you can see a step-by-step explanation and it is a really easy painting. So if you are interested in this painting then you can definitely watch this video. Recently Recently I received lots of message to paint simple painting, so I decided to make a very simple painting. I really like to paint a lamp, so I decided to make a beautiful and simple painting for beginners. So if you really like this painting and if you believe it is really simple for you, then please let me know in the comment section, then I will bring more simple and beautiful paintings in the future. Once we finish painting the outline, then we can fill the color black. So here we have the color black and I'm going to just fill the color. If you are someone who really likes to paint candles, lamp and lights, then you will definitely like this playlist. In this playlist you can see different types of lamp and candle paintings with a step-by-step explanation. So if you are interested in watching different types of lamp painting, then don't miss this playlist. Now we are going to paint the lamp, so we need to take the color white. We are going to add the color yellow, orange in this lamp painting. You may wonder why I am adding the color white instead of the orange and yellow. So here we have the dark background. So if you are directly applying the color yellow, the color won't be really bright and warm. So I decided to add the color white for the base. Now let's mix the color yellow with white. And here we have this light shade of yellow. So in this lamp painting, in the center we have this white color, and around the white we have the yellow, light yellow and orange color. So first just take the color light yellow and we are applying the color in the center of the lamp like this. Then we are taking the color yellow and we are mixing the yellow and light yellow. So we have a beautiful transition between these two colors. And then we can mix the color orange with yellow. So we have this beautiful orange yellow, and we are applying the color in the bottom and also the side of the lamp. Also we can apply the color in the top. So then we are going to blend the color with this yellow color. So we will have a beautiful transition of colors in this lamp painting. So this transition will give a glow effect in our lamp painting. So I really enjoy painting these types of paintings. Once we finish adding the color yellow orange, now we are going to mix the yellow orange with our yellow. So now take the color yellow and we are going to apply the colors here. Once we finish blending the colors, then we need to let the layer completely dry. Then we can take the color white and we are going to add the white in the last. Now take the color white and we are going to apply the color only in the center like this. Let's add some details in the lamp. So here I am drawing some lines, and now we are going to mix the color orange with the black to have this brownish orange, and we are going to use this color for the reflected light from the lamp. If you are watching my video for the first time and if you are visiting to my channel for the first time, then let me introduce myself. I am Raksana. I am an acrylic painting artist. I really like to paint with acrylics, and here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. So if you find my tutorials are really easy and helpful for you, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my other social media platforms to know all the regular updates about my paintings. Now let's see the final look of this painting. I really enjoyed this process and I believe you too also like this painting, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step explanation in my next video. Until then, have fun with colors.